I know you wouldn't want the VO3 or Omni Flash watermark to be visible on your video, so this is a simple way to remove it. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, then if you scroll down, you will see where it says Visible Watermarking. Disable it if yours is enabled, then go back and start creating. I'll show you samples when it's disabled and enabled. I'll first create a video when it's disabled. So as we did before, create a new project, then switch to video. Since I already have the reference character, I'll choose a video model. I'll use Omni Flash here. Then paste or type what you want and click send. Wait for a few seconds and the video will be generated. Play the video and you will notice there's no text or Omni Flash logo at the bottom right corner. Now let me create a video when it's enabled. Go back to your profile, enable it, and then do the same thing. If you play this one, you will notice that the Omni Flash logo is visible on this video. So that's how you remove the watermark from your videos easily.